Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by running a focus site audit and logging critical fixes. Address technical errors first because they block gains. Once done, map 3-5 target keywords to each page based on intent and realistic volume, and set KPIs like organic traffic, CTR, and conversions so you can measure impact. Make sure to prioritize fixes that affect crawlability and indexation before content edits. This initial triage lets you act now with data and prevents wasted content work later when technical problems still exist. You now tackle the complex middle. Repair crawl and index issues so search engines can read your pages, update robots, sitemaps, canonicals, and repair broken links. Then optimize on-page elements, titles, metas, H1, structured data, placing keywords naturally and improving readability. At the same time, create topic clusters and internal links that pass relevance and authority. Make sure to add depth and freshness to content with user-focused answers and examples. This combination lifts rankings and improves session metrics progressively. You finish by deploying changes methodically, testing on staging, and then monitoring results over 2 to 12 weeks using analytics and Search Console so you spot trends. Once stable, scale outreach for authoritative backlinks and repurpose winning content into other formats. Maintain a technical cadence with scheduled audits. If things go wrong, isolate variables, run a /B tests, and be ready to roll back specific changes if rankings drop more than 15%. Keep iterating. SEO is continual measurement, not a one-time task.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.